Hello, everyone, and welcome back to UE5 BP Guru. It's been a really long time, and I do apologize for the absence and the kind of sporadic random uploads I've been doing of just random stuff I've been up to, and no consistency. Um, it's not good. I've been slacking. You guys have been wonderful. I've been slacking, and I do apologize. I've been very busy with lots of different projects going on, and I've just been struggling to kind of find that balance between family and kind of doing my games and also YouTube. And sadly, YouTube's taken the back burner, but not for much longer. I promise. I have been working on some videos. I did promise to put out 100 videos. I haven't had a chance to make them, but I have got a plan of what I'm going to do for those 100 videos. And this is one of them. This is going to be one of them. If you've stuck around this long, basically, my plan is to do a indie game direct for the channel. And I want to do this kind of yearly, maybe quarterly, but for now, yearly. And I want to showcase your games to people who may not have ever seen them previously. And I've taken a leaf out of a YouTuber named Gym Leader Ed, who does a wonderful Monster Tamer trailer sort of direct every year. And he does this once a year for just monster taming games, which is wonderful. Honestly, it's brilliant. If you haven't seen it, I'll link one of the videos below. There's one coming out in the next few days as well. And I think it would be brilliant to do this for every genre, for like just indie games as a whole. So that's going to be my commitment, is that I'm going to do this direct once a year minimum, maybe more, but for now, once a year. And anyone can join as long as they have some form of a video that they can showcase their work and kind of show how things are going along. There'll be a bunch of rules in place. I'll put them in the Discord. So I'll put the link to the Discord if you're not already in there as well below. And I'll also put the application form below as well, so that you can have a little look through, see what the rules are, and also if you want to sign up, sign up. Now, obviously, not everyone who's watching this is going to have some form of a trailer or video to showcase their game off right now. So I don't need it today. You don't have to panic and be like, oh my God, I got to get a video together. I'm going to give you guys till the 15th of November to produce a video. It'll have to be 30 seconds to sort of maybe 2 or 3 minutes long, which will just show some gameplay, kind of show off some of your key mechanics, and give an idea of how your game will feel. It can be a reveal trailer, it can be like early development, it can be released. The only stipulation is if it is already released, it has to have released in 2025. And if it does release in 2025 and you show it off in 2025, you will not be able to show this next year. So please bear that in mind. And if it's in development, it just needs to be that you're showing that it is working towards a release. Because what I don't want to do is show a video off that will never see the light of day again. So those are kind of like the rough rules of it, to be honest. But any genre, it can be literally any kind of game that you're proud of, that you're working on, that you want to show to a slightly bigger audience, or at least just a few people that would have never seen it before that video aired. Yeah, I thank you everyone for your support as well over the last we've been doing this channel for nearly 3 years now. This channel's been alive for nearly 3 years, and I've really done nothing this year, so I'm really trying to turn this around. So the gaming direct, yes, will basically kick off this year, and hopefully we'll get lots of people kind of want to be involved. And it's free to do. It's free publicity at the end of the day. Even though I've only got like just under 7,000 subscribers, it's free publicity to those 7,000 subscribers, and hopefully this will help us grow into a much bigger channel. Is what I'm hoping as well. The other thing I want to do as well is I mentioned this before, but it never really became a thing in the end. Is I want to play your games and show those off as well. So if you have any demos, or you've released a game that you want me to check out that you've worked on personally, let me know. I would love to do a segment on the channel where I kind of look at people's games, maybe give them a little review, and just talk about them and just show them off a little bit, give them a bit of love, again, to an audience that maybe wouldn't have seen it previously. And then regular videos are still going to start coming out now. The kind of tutorial stuff will still happen. It's going to go to the members first, of course. So if you are a member, keep an eye out for those videos. They are coming. They're on their way. I promise. and I really want to get back into YouTube. This is my chance to get back into YouTube. So I hope you'll all join me for this direct. And if you have something, you'll submit it, and we can put it in there. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be able to pick everyone. So obviously, if I do end up with a lot of submissions, which I hope I do, I will select a few of those submissions and put them into a video to showcase on the channel. So yeah, good luck, everyone. Hopefully, you all sign up and you're all excited. And yeah, let's get back to making content and being here, especially as we're going into 2026 now. And yeah, thank you everyone for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. And I am back. I promise this is my moment. I'm back. And I look forward to seeing you all on that journey and seeing how your games grow going into 2026. So yeah, thanks so much, guys, for taking the time to watch it. If you made this far, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. Bye.